Okay, so we've got Ross's Harley-Davidson breakout on the dyno. This is a 22 plate, so 2022 114 breakout. It's been taken out to 117 with the Stage 1 Harley SE kit, running a Zippers 468 cam. It's running a 64mm throttle body. Screaming Eagle cylinder heads, CNC ported cylinder heads. This exhaust system, which is a blow exhaust system, beautifully grafted exhaust system, really nice. And our Supercharger kit, which is fully intercooled. So the kit is intercooled. This is the intercooler. Looks more like a radiator than an intercooler. Looks really nice. Oil cooler for the Supercharger, and we fit an additional oil cooler to the engine because we're making a lot more power. And then this is a Supercharger. So we're running a Rotrex counter-clockwise rotating C3094. Air filters routed underneath and around to the intake. We're running without the belt guard so I can see what's going on. We're running a bar of boost at 6,500 RPM. We're running our lock-up clutch, our billet compensator ramps, and our billet clutch basket. So everything's in there to make it strong. It's also got a Baker grudge box in it. This guy Ross is not taking prisoners, he's doing the whole job. And the bike is now performing admirably. We're really pleased with the performance, as you'll see in a moment. So you can see we're running somewhere around 13-14 pound of boost. Power is 220 of the wheels, 206 foot-pound of torque. Clean as a whistle all the way through. Look at that for a curve. What a beautiful curve. So we've got 2,000 RPM. We've got 125 foot-pound of torque. And at 3,000 revs, we've got 170 foot-pound of torque. 4,000 revs, 200 foot-pound of torque. She's storming.